Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about SEO for local businesses and how you can rank higher on Google. It's going to be two steps, and there's also a crucial mistake that you need to take care of immediately if you want to start ranking higher. So let's just jump right into the video, and the main topic and the purpose of this video is for your local SEO campaigns. Everyone is fixated and knows the importance of your on-page SEO and also your backlinking. Now, there is a whole entire nother process for ranking throughout local and on Google Maps, and this has to do with your citations and mentions throughout the internet. Now, we know that your name, address, and phone number throughout the internet is very, very important, but there is a crucial step and a crucial process to ranking higher, not only on Google search for your local SEO terms, but also in Google Maps. Now, I just want to go ahead and show you something that's very, very important to rank higher. There's going to be two steps, and there's also a crucial mistake that you need to take care of immediately if you want to start ranking higher. So I want to point out a couple things, and then I want to lead off with the mistake that you're making. So let me just go ahead and show you this. So I took the liberty to do a search for plumbers in Philadelphia. I'm near Philadelphia. This is a test that I like to use, okay? So as you can see, ranking number one, this is an ad, is Goodman Plumbing, okay? I'm not affiliated. I don't know who this is. I just want to make a point here. So to rank higher on Google, you always need to analyze your competition. Now, something that I always see, and I want to point this out, is if you can take a look here, why are they coming up? Who are they? So I want to just show you this. So I always see Angie's List and Yelp. Okay, I see Home Advisor. Here's Philly Mag. That could be a citation of sorts. Now, the number one actual ranking, here's their piece here, Goodman Plumbing. But above them are citations of very huge sites that are taking up space for their brand, but their brand is mentioned on that site. Okay, now that is that. So I did an all-in-text search, and I want you to take a look at the very first listing. I went for Goodman Plumbing. Now, why are they showing up number one in Google Maps for Plumbers Philadelphia, which is a relatively large term? And I want to show you this, and this happens across the board. Now, the number one thing that I see for most people that rank higher in maps is they have a better businessbureau.org listing. Not only that, I want you to take a look at localreviews.buzz. Here are some of their citations. Here's Yelp. Here's their listing. Now they have a Facebook page. Again, Philly Mag. Now I'm leading all of this together to tell you, and I'm trying to keep this video short, that you're missing a crucial aspect, something that pumps information, something that will spread your citations for you, something that will make your presence online even larger. And the piece that you're missing is data aggregation. There are companies out there called data aggregators, a lot that are free, that actually feed the internet your name, your address, your phone number, also known as your NAP. These are free services that are going to get your name and your business out there, and they're going to help you rank higher on Google and in Maps. Now, as I mentioned before, and I'm very passionate about this because I've been having some clients come to me, and I've been telling them the same thing, so I want to tell you, data aggregation and Better Business Bureau is going to help you rank higher. Let me go ahead and show you a graph about data aggregators so you can get a better understanding of exactly what I'm talking about. So I have a graph here. These are some of the largest data aggregators in the world. Okay, now these, as you can see, the largest is Info Group. If you take a look at the green, they are feeding all of these sites your information. And if you were to go take a look, Go to Google, type in data aggregators free. Start submitting your business. Start submitting your business information. These companies are going to spread your business information for free. This is going to help you rank higher. Take a good look at this graph. Take the time, go out, look for data aggregators, do yourself a favor. This is going to wrap up SEO for local business. I wanted to point out those two crucial things. These are going to help drastically improve your search rankings. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about local SEO, national SEO, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, Facebook ads, anything, leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO digital marketing video. You have a wonderful day.